Kamini Kaushal, the veteran Bollywood actress whose career spanned over 7 decades, has passed away at the age of 98. Known for her timeless presence in early Hindi cinema, Kamini's contributions to the film industry are unforgettable. A source close to her family confirmed the news, requesting privacy for her loved ones during this difficult time. Kamini Kaushal made a striking debut in Neecha Nagar, 1946, a film that won the prestigious Palme d'Or at the first Cannes Film Festival. It remains the only Indian film to win the top honor, and Kamini's performance earned her the Montreal Film Festival Award, establishing her as one of the finest talents in the industry. Her career flourished as she played lead roles in films from 1946 to 1963, working alongside Bollywood legends like Dilip Kumar, Raj Kapoor, Dev Anand, and Ashok Kumar. Born as Uma Kashyap in Lahore, Kamini came from a highly educated family. Her father, Shivram Kashyap, was a prominent botanist and a key figure in the Indian scientific community. Growing up, Kamini developed a wide range of skills, from horse riding to Bharatnatyam, swimming, and craft work. She also participated in radio plays and theatre, which honed her acting and voice modulation skills. It was director Chetan Anand who noticed her talent and cast her in Neecha Nagar. To avoid confusion with another actress, he gave her the screen name Kamini Kaushal. Her on-screen chemistry with Dilip Kumar in films like Shaheed, Shaban, and Arzu was widely celebrated. Although they shared a romantic bond off-screen, Kamini chose to marry her brother-in-law, B.S. Sood, after the tragic death of her sister. She raised her nieces while continuing her successful film career with her husband's support. Even in her later years, Kamini Kaushal remained involved in cinema, making a notable appearance in Lal Singh Chaddha, 2022. Kamini celebrated her 98th birthday on 25 February 2025, leaving behind a legacy that will always be cherished by Bollywood fans. A heartfelt moment turned into a disturbing controversy this week, as Amitabh Bachchan reacted strongly to a shocking breach of privacy involving the Deol family. Veteran actor Dharmendra, who has been unwell, became the target of an insensitive video leak, and Big B is not staying silent. Dharmendra was recently discharged from Mumbai's Breach Candy Hospital and is now recovering at home. But during his hospital stay, someone filmed him without the family's knowledge. The video was later shared on social media, upsetting fans and friends of the family. Amitabh Bachchan, who was seen driving near the Deol residence on the day his Sholay co-star returned home, expressed his anger on his blog. In a powerful message, he wrote, "No ethics, no sense of responsibility, just an avenue of personal gain without any consideration of the moment. Disturbing and disgusting." Although Bachchan didn't go into detail, the connection was clear. His words came shortly after the controversial video of Dharmendra with his family began circulating online. It was obvious that the recording was made without the family's knowledge, an act many people called deeply disrespectful. Reports say the hospital staffer who secretly filmed Dharmendra has been arrested. The incident has raised serious questions about privacy, ethics, and how far some people will go for attention or money. For Amitabh Bachchan, this wasn't just about a video. It was about dignity and respect, especially during an emotional and sensitive time for the Deol family. As Dharmendra continues to recover at home, fans across the country are sending prayers and love. And Amitabh Bachchan's strong message stands as a reminder: privacy matters, and even celebrities deserve compassion. What are your thoughts on this privacy breach? Share in the comments below. days after health scares involving Dharmendra and Prem Chopra, Bollywood fans were once again worried when reports surfaced about actor Govinda being rushed to the hospital. Govinda, who reportedly fainted and felt uneasy, was admitted to City Care Hospital, the same hospital where he had been treated last year after an accidental gun injury to his leg. But fans need not worry, as his team quickly reassured everyone that the situation was under control. After receiving immediate medical attention, Govinda was discharged and even interacted with the media, assuring his fans that he was perfectly fine. He said, "I am perfectly fine, don't worry." So, what caused the health scare? According to Govinda's wife, Sunita Ahuja, her husband was simply working out for his upcoming film Dunyadari. In her latest YouTube vlog, she shared an update with fans. Sunita Ahuja said, "Govinda is completely fit. He was working out to prepare for his new film Dunyadari when he fainted. I have just returned and watched an interview where it was mentioned that he suffered fatigue due to over-exercising. But he's doing well now. Don't worry." While Sunita was out of town when the incident happened, she made sure to clear the air and reassure fans about Govinda's health. She also shared her thoughts on another recent controversy involving her husband. Govinda recently apologized to his family priest after Sunita called the priest a chore during a podcast interview. Sunita, known for her outspoken nature, didn't hold back when addressing the issue. Sunita Ahuja added, "I didn't like how Govinda apologized to his priest with folded hands. I never mentioned anyone's name, I was just sharing one of our personal experiences. If anyone felt hurt by my words, I apologize to them and to all priests." Govinda has 3 different priests. He didn't need to name anyone or publicly apologize. I felt very bad that he had to do that because of me. But that wasn't all. Sunita also shared a heartfelt message on relationships that caught everyone's attention. Sunita Ahuja said, "Be loyal, give her time, stay true to her, don't even think of cheating, because when a wife is hurt, even the strongest man can fall." A strong message from Sunita and a reminder to always prioritize love and loyalty in relationships. As for Govinda, it's great to know he's feeling better and back on track with his work. What are your thoughts on Sunita's message and the recent health scare? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The beloved couple Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal have officially entered parenthood as they welcomed their first child, a baby boy, on 7th November 2025. Fans around the globe are overjoyed, sharing in the couple's happiness as they begin this exciting new chapter of their lives. The couple shared their joy with the world through a heartwarming note on Instagram. "Our bundle of joy has arrived. With immense love and gratitude, we welcome our baby boy, 7th November 2025, Katrina and Vicky." Such a beautiful moment for the couple. Just days after the birth, a car carrying Katrina and her newborn son was spotted leaving the hospital. While neither Katrina nor the baby were visible, the sight of them heading home sparked excitement among fans, and the moment quickly went viral on social media. For those who don't know, Katrina and Vicky tied the knot in an intimate ceremony at the beautiful Six Senses Resort in Rajasthan on 9th December 2021. The couple has been inseparable since then, sharing their love and joy with their fans every step of the way. And the happiness doesn't stop there. Vicky's father, the legendary action director Shyam Kaushal, shared his joy over becoming a grandfather. On social media, he posted a heartfelt message. "Thank you, God. From tomorrow, I am grateful for all the blessings showered upon my family. No matter how much I thank him, it still feels less in front of his blessings. God has been so kind. I pray that his grace continues to shine on my children, especially on the youngest, Kaushal. We are all very happy and feel truly blessed," he wrote. And he added, "So incredibly happy to become a grandfather. May God bless everyone, Rab Rakha." What a beautiful family moment for the Kaushals and Kaifs. The couple's little bundle of joy has already brought so much happiness into their lives. From all of us at Zoom, we extend our warmest congratulations to Katrina and Vicky as they begin this exciting new chapter of parenthood. We wish them and their baby boy lots of love and happiness. What do you think of this happy news? Share your thoughts and congratulations in the comments below.